I want you to do something. Write down some goal that you want to accomplish this November.
Here today speaking to you guys because I need your help. It's really simple. I've been wanting to get a habit of not using my phone every night when I go to sleep, and thus getting to sleep at like 3 a.m. and whatnot. Just scrolling and like, especially on IG. If I check, I think I've had like 14 hours a week on IG, so yeah. All I want to do is try to have a great schedule of sleep. Because I figured out what I want to do. I figured out a lot of things that work for me, and I know that mornings are important. The thing is, I know how it feels every morning to wanting to wake up to something like this, and I just enjoy that weather, and like, stay there with my coffee, and I just can't, because I keep snoozing. It's so easy for me, and the worst about it is, I used to be able to do it. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. 3 days a week when I used to be an athlete. I want to get back to that. So, for the people that are closer to me, if you see me watching TV on a random night and it's like midnight, then make me stop. Or for you guys at home, like all my friends online, if you see me logged in or liking some pictures, interacting with you on Instagram, DM me and say, stop it, go to sleep. So that's my ask. I want you guys to help me get a better sleep. And starting this November, so we're the 1st of November, and this is my goal. I want to get up at 5:30 every morning. 5 is even better. My point is before 6, so between 5 and 6. Like, if you guys want to help me as well in the second part of this ask, which is getting me up, if I receive a message from you between 5 and 6, well, simply, God, it made sense in my head. I think you get it. The point is, I just want you guys to message me between 5 and 6 a.m. if you're awake naturally, and so I answer to you to, make sure that I actually got up. And it's a way for me to make myself accountable, and it's a challenge as well. I really want to make that happen, because I know that in the morning I'm really super productive, and I wish to create more content, and it's usually in that hours that I'm really fired up. Because, that's the thing. Every morning I'd like to go here, and one of the goals I had before was to take my notepad and just write down anything that passed through my head. I mentioned a couple of times for people who know me, I have ADHD, and it's just that when I get up, actually, every fucking time in a day, I got random thoughts that are so not important. I know they're not. And the thing is, my brain does not really give a shit. It's just how it is. I have to deal with this, and I used to do that before, where I'd get up and write some stuff down, some sentences down that just bubble up in my head. It doesn't have to make sense. But most of the time it was fears or doubts or things that were staying on my mind for a couple of times. And I'd like to do something. I'd like to make that happen again. I'd like to make those, I'd say, sit downs with you guys every morning and share it with you guys. I think some of them may have value, I don't know. It's been a while, but whatever. If that can help at least one person, I'll be happy. And well, it's gonna for sure help me, so that's gonna be done. We'll see what it does. So, one of the reasons, I've always wanted to change this habit. Well, this lack of sleep habit, actually. I just want to make that, because I know it's better for me, it's better for my health, but it's also inspired by something else. Something that came from one of my favorite creators right now. Well, creative, I hate the word creator or whatever. And he's Cody Wanner. It's on YouTube. He's a daily vlogger, but also the father of the nosmallcreator movement, which is really, really nice. And this month, in November, he set out to challenge everyone as a subscriber to do something big, to change something in this very month and document it. And that's what I want to do. Now, I know I've said that most is going to be on Patreon, and I know it might sound unfair, but I'll follow the rules that he said, which is 3 times a week. So, what I'll do is, instead of having all of them, you'll have 3 per week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to upload 3 of them of this morning thoughts of trying to get this sleep habit to work, and that'll be it. The rest is going to be on Patreon. So, that's it for you guys, and I hope you like it, and I hope I make it. And if you do have some coffee to donate, please do.